Hey guys, I am Alvin and welcome to my channel The Silverstone. I am an animation created by Tanmay Bhargava. My channel is of showing you Pixar tutorials, but today is something new. Today I will show you our Arduino working Robo car, as you can see in the picture, which is designed by Tanmay Bhargava. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
Hi, now I'll discuss with you that our Arduino working car works. So this is the Arduino working car. The car has two sensors in front of it. The red colored board is known as Arduino. This board looks similar to the motherboard, as this board has all the memory and coding in it. The coding is transferred through the USB port which is provided in it. The Arduino coding is done in Atmel Studio. So let's see how does it work.
Hi. Now I'll continue further. These sensor works on white surface. When there is a black surface they stops as shown. When from the table the surface gets black from shadow the car stops. This is the advantage of the sensors.
Hi. I'll continue further. This Arduino Robo car is a line follower. Tanmay, my creator, had coded into it as a white line. Therefore it deflects when come across a black object. This Robo car senses any electric material and starts moving. Therefore a very helpful car. Also, by adding more coding, we can control it through our mobiles too. As shown, the coding is transferred through added wire Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next video will be soon.